what you're gonna get inside the box when you purchase this from Low Range Off-Road. You have the adapter itself, 8 14mm bolts, thread locker, and drill bit. This thing is super beefy, 1/2 inch thick, and plated for corrosion resistance. Here you can see me mounting it up to a Toyota front drive shaft. I'm going to be using this for the rear of my Samurai, and I just wanted to show you guys the fitment. The fitment is flawless. So here you can see we're on the website looking at the adapter, and if we scroll down here towards the bottom, you can see something Low Range does that nobody else really does, and they have PDF instructions for not just this product, but for all of their products, installation, step-by-step with color pictures. You can pull this up on your phone, print it out. It's really great. This product is really great for those of you that are running Toyota axles like myself. I'm going to be using this adapter to modify that front drive shaft that you saw earlier to put in the rear of my Samurai. And this adapter is just the easiest way, and it's super high quality. This adapter just makes things easy. You can put almost any Toyota drive shaft up to a Samurai transfer case with this, excluding the 2007 and up Tundra drive shaft. It just makes things so simple, and at the price point of $48.95 with all the hardware and even the thread locker and the drill bit, it's just a nice touch. I can't recommend this product highly enough. If you're really serious into doing some hardcore wheeling like I am, this is a product you're going to need for your Samurai. Thanks for watching this product review, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, I'll have the link to the Pentadapter in the description below.